in 1 or 2 minutes. I request everyone to please maintain the decorum and the silence, and please take your seats. So good evening, good morning, and welcome everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking great in formals. I would like to start with telling you that milestones are an important way of looking at the past with the gratitude, present with appreciation, and the future with lots of hope. So Tridhya Tech Limited, I would like to mention that Tridhya Tech is an Indian company which offers comprehensive software development, e-commerce digital platform solution, also including web and mobile application development to IT and AI, to the enterprises in India and globally. The company has over 300 plus clientele covering some of the major industries, which includes BFSI, retail and e-commerce, transport and logistics, and real estate. Since its inception in 2018, Tridhya Tech has been bringing the top and finest engineers to develop specialized, unique, and technologically advanced solutions for the world's leading brands, enterprises, startups, and businesses. With offices in India, Tridhya Tech has grown at exponential pace with customers across the world. So can we have a huge round of applause for Tridhya Tech Limited? So before moving ahead, may I request everyone to rise and stand to show the pride for our country, India, and please sing along the national anthem as it is played. Can we play the national anthem?
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. So in India, when we start with any new event of life, with a prayer of light to get rid of all the darkness on our way, so we are going to do the same. So for lighting of lamp, I would like to request our delegates, Mr. Ashish Goel, our chief guest from National Stock Exchange, to please come ahead. Ms. Pooja Shah from Interactive Financial Services Limited, Mr. Mayur Parekh from Interactive Financial Services Limited, Mr. Gaurav Barod, Director of the company, Mr. Ramesh Maran, Promoter of the company, Mr. Vinay Dangar, Promoter of the company, and Mr. Prabhat Somani to please come forward for lighting of lamp. the delegates. For honoring our honorable chief guests and our delegates are present here, so I would like to first request again Mr. Ashish Goyal to please come on the dais, our chief guest from National Stock Exchange, and I would request Mr. Ramesh Maran to please join us on the dais to honor Mr. Ashish Goyal. With a huge round of applause. Now I would like to request and call on dais Mr. Mayur Parikh from Interactive Financial Services Limited on the dais, and again I would like to request Mr. Ramesh Maran to please accompany him on the dais and honor him with the bouquet. Welcome, sir. Now I would like to request Mr. Ramesh Maran to please stay. And I would request Mr. Shekhar to please come on the dais and welcome Mr. Ramesh Maran, promoter of the company. With a huge round of applause. Thank you, Mr. Ramesh. And I would like to request Mr. Shekhar to please stay. And I would like to request Mr. Vinay Dangar on the dais. With a huge round of applause. And I request Mr. Shekhar to welcome him as well with the bouquet. So now I would request everyone to please look at the LED that is on my right, and we shall play a corporate video of Tridhya Tech Limited. So can we have the corporate video of Tridhya Tech Limited?
Technology as a whole and the information and communication technology world is undergoing a transformation. The demand for user-friendly technology, fast communication, and impactful designs has become the need of the time. This mobile apps era has created a new economy in enabling companies to create their presence any place and any time. The Tridhya Tech has embraced the innovative direction while partnering with its client globally in developing and providing information and communication technological solutions today and tomorrow. At Tridhya Tech, every solution we develop is flashed with creative elements. Our strategies are based on deep-rooted research and planning, as we have experts in every technology we deal in. We tailor precise and futuristic strategies that result in one solution delivery. We started back in 2018 and over the journey of 1.5 years, Tridhya Tech has touched the grounds of excellence. We started with 7 employees and now we are up 600 plus people. We provide solutions in various technology like enterprise mobility, cloud computing, IoT, big data, smart e-commerce, machine learning, blockchain, AR and VR, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. Integrity, teamwork, dedication, and our focus on creating something exceptional is what defines us best.
Tridhya Tech means liveliness and fun.
Ocean of opportunities. Tridhya Tech is balance between experience and energy. Unprecedented growth, powered by vision. Quality is what we deliver.
Having insightful discussions over high teas and breaking million-dollar ideas while playing games is a part of Tridhya Tech family. Our presence in India, UK, USA, Canada, Belgium, Australia, and Germany. We work in various domains like e-commerce, e-learning, healthcare, transportation and logistics, media and entertainment, government and public sectors, and many more. With restaurants overseas and 18 countries served. With customer centricity and agile innovation at its core, the Tridhya Tech is poised to provide tomorrow's technological solutions today.
A huge round of thundering applause for Tridhya Tech. Now, I would like to request Mr. Ashish Goel, our chief guest from National Stock Exchange, to please come on the dais and say a few words.
Very good morning and a very warm welcome. National Stock Exchange welcomes Tridhya Tech Limited to its family of listed companies, NSE listed NSE family companies. A big round of applause for Tridhya Tech Limited. This day, as I was telling Ramesh Bhai, is very auspicious. Even for bigger company like Infosys or TCS in your field, in your segment, this day of stock exchange listing happens only once and once in the life cycle of the company. So a big round of applause for Tridhya Tech Limited. NSE congratulates Mr. Ramesh Bhai Maran, Mr. Vinay Dangar, Mr. Gaurav Daru, Executive Director, Mr. Raj Ihir, Hitul Sumani and Simran Kaur, the Independent Directors, and the entire team on this occasion. Nevertheless, the most important player for us is also the merchant banker, Interactive Financial Services Limited, Mr. Mayur Parekh, who has been with us for a lot of time with multiple companies from Ahmedabad and across India. This model of stock exchange listing, as I was telling, is quite incremental. We have listed 336 company on this platform since last 10 to 12 years. And we have seen companies transforming from a smaller enterprise to a big corporation. Ramesh must have taken a lot of steps in his journey for business, but this step of stock exchange listing will be a front runner as far as business growth is concerned, as far as exponential visibility is concerned, as far as strategic alliance is concerned, as far as funding is concerned. This model works incidentally with our experience of 336 companies. In these 336 companies, we have raised more than 6,000 crores. And the market cap, I am very happy to tell you, is more than 65,000 crores for this 336 companies. Incidentally, we all are from Gujarat, as I understand. And Gujarat is ranked number 1 in terms of listed companies on NSE. So a big round of applause for our Gujarati entrepreneurship. Things change very dynamically. Of course, Tridhya Tech Limited, everybody knows. But say 2 days from now, if you Google, okay, the first thing that will appear is Tridhya Tech Limited is listed on National Stock Exchange. The amount of visibility, our website, you are all experts of IT, our website is visited by more than 5 lakh people. You will be among the top companies in India, name it anything. The trading platform in which Reliance, TCS and Infosys is traded, our company also will be traded on the same platform. A big thing for Tridhya. Yeah? The amount of credibility that comes through stock exchange listing, what happens is, when suppose your company is looking for a strategic alliance, say in US, Canada or any of the bigger countries, my promoters tell me, the promoters who have already got listed companies tell me, the moment on the 3rd or 4th slide when I say I am a listed company, the whole perception of the strategic partners change very significantly. The financial governance is of a top level if you are a listed company. The corporate governance is assured if you are a listed company, and the process driven and the strategic approach is already given if you are a listed company. as I was telling him, you will be among the top 1200 companies in India to be listed on National Stock Exchange. So fund-wise, as I was discussing with him, already some mutual fund has taken equity in our company. Going forward, not only public but institution, mutual funds, everyone can participate in your journey. This is a time to look at our shareholders also, who has placed lot of trust and confidence in the promoters and in the business growth of the company. Things are exponentially good. We look forward to Tridhya Limited to be among the top IT companies in India. Government is looking for companies like you to take our economy to 5 trillion, 10 trillions going forward. Institutions and mutual funds are waiting to invest in good quality companies which have exponential business plan. And businesses are looking, even your competitors, your peer group and people from Ahmedabad and other IT companies are also looking up to scale the size of IT business from our state of Gujarat. And investors are also looking at, there is lot of money in the system waiting for good quality companies to come up and go for listing. To sum up, there may be future entrepreneurs here who would plan for doing big businesses. So I should tell you, this platform of NSE listing is looking for only 3 things. Businesses with exponential business plan, okay, which incidentally Tridhya Tech Limited has. When I say exponential business plan, to translate into a better understanding, a plan where you can take your turnover from say 10 crores to 100 crores in 5 years, something like that. If you have the exponential plan, an opportunity which is scalable, your business model should be scalable, an opportunity which you can scale from Ahmedabad to Gujarat to Western India to entire India and even international. Incidentally, our Tridhya Tech Limited has that scale to move forward. And sound financial statement. Exponential business plan, scalable opportunity and sound financial statement. I can assure you that we have a model which can transform a smaller enterprise into a bigger corporation like Tridhya Tech Limited. Again, big round of applause for Tridhya Tech Limited and the entire team. I'm very happy. Normally we do listing ceremonies in hotel and but bringing in their team and having it celebrated in our campus is incremental. Thank you once again and big compliments for the entire Tridhya team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your incredible inputs. And now I would like to request Ms. Pooja Shah from Interactive Financial Services Limited to please say a few words. Can we have a huge round of applause for the lady?
Thank you. Good morning all. On the auspicious occasion of listing ceremony of Tridhya Tech Limited, I am delighted to welcome all of you, especially Chief Guest Mr. Ashish sir from NSC, Mr. Ramesh sir, Promoter and Managing Director, Mr. Vinay sir, Promoter and Executive Director of Tridhya Tech Limited. And of course, how can I forget the employees of the Tridhya Tech family? The company on the operation side have achieved many milestones and also doing inorganic growth by acquiring other software companies. However, in the history of the company, getting its shares listed on the NSE exchange is one more feather in the cap of the company. The soft-spoken Mr. Ramesh Markan sir have worked very hard and with the help of the team, especially Mr. Prabhat Sumani, to complete this dream of the listing shares on the stock exchange. Regarding the business of the company, you employee knows better than me, but you are the backbone of the company and company consider you as one of the pillars for creating wealth, and as a philosophy of sharing the wealth, the company had rewarded 13 employees last financial year with car for their commitment towards their work. You, being part of the Tridhya, must be knowing meaning, but let me share the meaning of the name of the Tridhya. Tridhya means 3 goddesses, Lakshmi, Durga and Saraswati. Durga means power and you, company have got these skills which gives power to develop any software. Saraswati means Gnan and you, employee, have wide knowledge and experience. Lakshmi means the prosperity, and by listing your shares on the National Stock Exchange, the prosperity of the Tridhya will increase day by day. I am concluding my speech by expressing my thanks on behalf of my merchant banking team to NSC team and also the other agency who are involved in our merchant banking task and for the prospectus and whole the listing things. Thank you all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Pooja Shah. Thank you very much. And now I would like to request Mr. Gaurav Baru, Director of the company, to please say a few words. A huge round of applause.
Thank you very much. So before I came here, I was told that only 3 minutes are remaining, so finish quickly. So, dignitaries from National Stock Exchange, our honorable guest, our partners and all the team members. Today, it is a very emotional moment for us because when we started this company, like all of us, all the promoters, the partners, the directors, we all come from a very humble family background. We just mentioned that Gujarat is land of opportunity. It is also land of Gandhiji. It is land of Sardar Patel. Gujarat is also land of entrepreneurs. And all of us, we are first generation entrepreneurs from the family. So when we see our brainchild growing so significantly and listing on NSE within 5 years of the inception, it is definitely a great moment of pride for all of us. When we started this process about a year ago of listing, a lot of people were asking us that how can you think of going public within just 4 years of inception? Risk क्यों लेना है? So to them, I would like to say only one thing, that मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में भी जान होती है. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में भी जान होती है. सिर्फ पंख होने से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. So with this spirit, Tridhya Tech has grown exponentially in the last 5 years. When we started Tridhya Tech in 2018, we had seen a huge opportunity in the space of digital transformation, and that is what we have been doing since inception of the company. We have quickly become trusted partners for all our customers across the globe. She mentioned a lot of things what Tridhya Tech is doing, but at the same time, I would like to say one thing. Apart from everything what we do, the most important thing is we convert the dreams of our employee or our customers into reality. And at the end, I would like to end this entire thing with one small thing, that this is just a journey which has begun. That कहीं तो जीत बाकी है, कहीं तो हार बाकी है, कहीं तो जीत बाकी है, कहीं तो हार बाकी है. अभी पूरे जीवन का सार बाकी है. यहाँ से चले हैं आज एक नई मंजिल की ओर. यहाँ से चले हैं आज नई मंजिल की ओर. ये तो सिर्फ एक पन्ना है, अभी आगे पूरी किताब बाकी है. Thank you very much, guys.
Yes, the moment we all have been waiting for has finally arrived. The 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's called a bumper listing. Let's ring the bell. Let's ring the room with energetic applause, a more thundering round of applause for Tridhya Tech Limited. Absolutely beautiful movement, a wow movement, a movement that we all were waiting for and we all will remember for our life. A huge round of applause should continue. Tridhya Tech Limited is now listed, and now I would request Mr. Ashish Goel, our chief guest from NSC, to hand over a listing certificate to the promoter of the company. A huge round of applause. Please put your hands together, and it should continue for a while. The photograph, the memory capturing is important. Now again I would like to request Mr. Ashish Goyal to please hand over the memento to the listed entity, that is Tridhya Tech Limited. A huge round of applause. Congratulations Tridhya Tech, and thank you very much to all the guests and delegates. On achieving this milestone, we would like to hear from the promoter of the company. Please put your hands together for Mr. Ramesh Marand. I would request Mr. Ramesh to please say a few words.
First of all, I welcome the chief guest and thank you for coming to our listing ceremony, Ashish ji. Mr. Mayur Parekh from the Interactive and Prabhat Somani from the Somani Ventures, and all of my Tridhya family. First, I want to thank you, my family, Tridhya family. Because of Tridhya family, we are, due to the hard work of each and every employee, we are today listed on the NSE platform. This moment is, Ashish sir said that this is the moment that comes only once in a lifetime. That even if we become any bigger corporate, but this event will not come again for the Tridhya. So this is very important, and I thank you every guest who has participated in this event. I want to give thanks to all the supporters, retail partners, all the investors who has put the trust on us. So this company, like any IT company, is a service-based company, are connected with the people, employee and the clients. Mostly we do not have, in the IT company we use only small computers to produce the programming codes for the clients. We do not have any large-scale machineries where we are dependent on the machineries, but this is the IT service company is dependent on the peoples. So people company means we also believe in every people, whether it is a shareholder, whether it is a client, or so nowadays from today onwards our responsibilities increase. Because since now we are responsible to provide the service to our clients only, and now we are listed, so we need to maintain the trust of our investors, whether they are venture, retailers. We don't want to lose their trust, so we from now on onwards we need to work more hard to gain the trust. We need now our profit and everything is open to the market. So since now whatever we have did, it is in a closed circle. We are the only like profit. Whatever the profit was did the company, that was only the private, for the private entity. It is close to only the directors and board and the employees. So now we have the responsibility, or we are aiding our investors in the Tridhya Tech. So we want to work hard, because the investors have the faith. When we work hard, then definitely we will gain their trust. So I will thank, lastly I will give thank you to everyone who has put the trust on us. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ramesh Madan, and congratulations to you too. We are heading towards the end of the listing ceremony, but before that, now it's time to honor and acknowledge the delegates who were throughout involved in this process. So a huge round of applause for all the delegates first of all, and one by one now we'll be inviting them on the dais to honor them. So let me start with Mr. Ashish Goel, Vice President, National Stock Exchange, to please come on the dais, and I also request Mr. Ramesh Madan to please join him and honor him with the memento. A huge round of applause. Now I would like to request Mr. Mayur Parekh, Director, Interactive Financial Services Limited, to please come on the dais, and I request Mr. Manipal Singh Rana to give away the memento. So we have Pooja Shah on the dais. Two. A huge round of applause. Next, I would like to acknowledge Mr. Meet Shah, Statutory Auditor, and I would like to request Mr. Bhanesh Patel to give away the memento to Mr. Meet Shah, but I would like to request Mr. Mukesh Jimnani to receive the award on behalf of Meet Shah. Please, members, put your hands together. For Mr. Meet Shah, Statutory Auditor. Now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Dipen Shah, Internal Auditor, and also would like to invite Mr. Vishal Shah to please hand over the memento to Mr. Dipen Shah. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Moving ahead, I would like to request Ms. Bhani Chaudhary, Company Secretary and Compliance, on the stage. And with that, I would like to request Mr. Jaywant Rathore to please honor Bhani Chaudhary with the memento. Next, I would like to request Mr. Ankit Shah to please come up on the dais, CA of the company, and I would like to request Mr. Sagar Shah to please accompany him on the stage to honor him with the memento. Now I would like to request Mr. Ankit Shah to please stay, and because the next award is for Mr. Sachin Jain, so I request Mr. Ankit Shah to take that on behalf of him, and I request Mr. Mehul Savani to please do the honors and please give the memento to Mr. Ankit Shah on behalf of Sachin Jain. Mehul Savani, do we have him here? So can you have, okay. So huge round of applause, he's coming from far. This is a memento for Mr. Sachin Jain. Again, I request Mr. Ankit Shah to please stay. The award is for Mr. Piyush Kothari. And I request Mr. Kalpesh Patel to please give away the awards. The memento to Mr. Piyush Kothari by Kalpesh Patel. A huge round of applause. Thank you, Mr. Ankit Shah. Moving on here, ladies and gentlemen, let me now invite Mr. Prabhat Somani, Somani Ventures and Innovations Limited, and I request Mr. Vishwa Patel to please do the honors and give over the memento to Mr. Prabhat Somani. Vishwa Patel and dais. Do we have Vishwa Patel present? Okay, let me invite Mr. Shekhar to do the honors for Mr. Prabhat Somani. Can you have both of you on dais? Thank you. Next, I would like to request Mr. Gaurav Hasmukh, CFO, Tridhya Tech Limited, and I would like to request Mr. Darshit Mori to do the honors for Mr. Gaurav Hasmukh. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Gaurav Hasmukh, CFO, Tridhya Tech Limited. Thank you. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Vinit Nagar, Company Secretary, and I would like Mr. Harshal Shah to please honor him with a memento. Please put your hands together for Mr. Vinit Nagar, CS. Thank you. I would request Mr. Harshal Shah to please stay, and I would like to request Mr. Mukesh Jinani to please join us on the dais, Practicing Company Secretary, Mukesh J and Associates. Please put your hands together for Mukesh Jinani ji. So that was all for today's listing ceremony. So I would once again congratulate Tridhya Tech Limited with a huge round of applause. Let's feel the energy in the room for Tridhya Tech. Many congratulations to Tridhya Tech. But before ending, I would like to request Bhanvi Chaudhary to give away the vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all present here for the ceremony of Tridhya Tech Limited. I stand before you with a profound sense of gratitude and pride. Our listing on the stock exchange is a testament to the unwavering dedication and hard work put forth by everyone, and I thank you so much everyone for this. Further, I want to take this opportunity to thank you, Mr. Mukesh Sir, Practicing Company Secretary of Mukesh J and Associates, for their legal advice and guidance in the IPO. I also want to thank you, Mr. Prabhat Sir, Ankit and Jenny, for your coordination and support. In the conclusion, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone present here today and hope that we embrace this new chapter of our company with enthusiasm and resilience and energy. Thank you so much once again, everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Bhanvi Chaudhary, and thank you everyone for joining us in today's listing ceremony. Thank you, delegates. Thank you, our chief guest. Thank you, our guest of honor. And once again, from my side, this was your host, Kavita, for the ceremony. And thank you very much for joining, and thank you very much for having me here. Congratulations to Tridhya Tech Limited with a huge round of applause. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy your day.